They are walking over the bridge. Okay, and ulanmıni they are walking. Ular mengwadara over. Over degan mana üstürimizde şu köyrükten alıp qo'yib qanday qilyapti? Mengyapti. Demak, shu köyrükni o'tab o'tibdi. Agar köyrükni oldida jim turgan bo'lsa on the bridge deydi. Tushunami? Endi lekin hamda köyrükni olib o'tab o'tibdi, tushunami? Shuni they are walking over the bridge. Over the bridge. Köyrükten olib qanday qilibdi? O'tab o'tibdi. Okay, they are walking over the bridge. And then there are some boats on the river. Okay, there are some boats on the river. There are some boats. Barken nima bir nechta qiyiqchaq. Bir nechta qiyiqchaq narivaken on the river. Demak, daryoning ustida. Daryoning ustida bir necha dona nima ekan? Qiyiq bor ekan. Okay. And then Mr. Jones and his wife are looking at them. Jones efendim bilen onun ayali qanday qilibdi? Are looking at them. Ularga qarab o'tibdi. And ular degan nima ashar ekan? Looking at them. Ular deganimiz adat shu nima sanabay ko'rsatgan qiyiqlar. Qaysi qiyiqlar? Shu abaylik qiyiqlar. Mr. Jones and his wife are looking at them. Are looking at them. Ular qanday qilyapti? Qarab o'tir. Demak, endi mush gapni da'vat qilgan vaqtimizda mush rasmda qanday qo'yibdi? Qarab o'tibdi, shunami? Okay. Qaranglar, wow, bir narsa ko'rikda o'tib chiqdi. Nima ekan? Bu okay. Sally is looking at a big ship. Okay. Sally degan qizchaq nima qarayapti? Looking at a big ship. Sally bo'lsa bir yo'g'on paroxda qanday qiladi? Qarab o'tadi. Is looking at a big ship. Endi men solganimsa qanday bo'lsa, arkadaşlar? Is Sally looking at a big ship? Nima? Is Sally looking at a big ship? Demakchi Sally yo'g'on paroxda qarab o'tamdi. Okay. Aniqda qarab baqilgan bo'lsak, nima desanlar? The ship. Eliq paroxod. Endi bu yerga the ship nima uchun eliq deymiz? Eliq qaysi paroxod? Shu Sally qargan eliq paroxod. Tushunami? The ship is going under the bridge. Men o'tadi under the bridge. Demakchi, ko'rikning ostidan qanday qilyapti? O'tayapti. Endi bu yerga under deymiz, ostidan over deymizmi? Ustida. Going men o'tadi under the bridge. Shu ko'rikning ostidan menga o'tayapti. The ship is going under the bridge. And what about Tim, guys? And then Tim is looking at an airplane. Okay, yes. Tim looking at an airplane. Tim bo'lsa nima? Bir aeroplan qarab o'tibdi. And the airplane is flying over the river. And the aeroplan, qaysi aeroplan? Shu Tim qarab o'tgan aeroplan. The airplane is flying over the river. And the riverning ustiga teshib mamadi, ustidan men o'tadi. Shu nima? Flying over the river. Okay, flying over the river. Okay, endi demak savolashda masalan shu rasm qarab baqsanglar bo'ldi. Bu nima? Story, bir hikoya, shunami? Bu hikoyada hamda Mr. Jones bilan Mrs. Jones nima? Kichik qiyiqlar qarab o'tibdi. Sally bo'z yo'g'on bir paroq qarab o'tibdi. Tim bo'z yo'g'on bir aeroplan qarab o'tibdi, shunami? Havo qanday ekan? Bulut bo'lgan bilan, lekin quyoshning ko'zayini paqirab o'tibdi, shunami? Okay, but the sun is shining. But the sun is shining. Shining. Bo'lsa, shuniki anglash hujjatini bir tushirib olib, yana bir qayta anglagan yetmaydi. Okay, so can you answer these questions? So what's the weather like? What is the weather like? It's a fine. So where are the family walking? They are walking over the bridge. So are there any boats on the river? Okay, and the daryoning ustida bir nechta nim bormi? Qo'lvoq bormi? Are there any boats on the river? Yes, there are some boats on the river. So what is the Sally looking at? Okay, and the Sally nimaga qarab etibdi? What is the Sally looking at? Is Sally looking at a big ship or an airplane? Yeah, Sally is looking at a big ship. What is the Tom looking at? A big ship or an airplane? Okay, he's looking at an airplane, right? He's looking at an airplane. So, and the language focus qaranglar. America with, bilan billa. Masalan, a man with a dog. Okay, bir ishni etilib olgan edi. Demak, bir ishni elib olgan bir ishni bilan degan gap. Masalan, Tim is with Mary. Tim bo'lsa, chip bilan Mary bilan billa degan gap bo'ldi. Ona degan kecha. Masalan, a girl with a long hair. Unda uzun chechewa bir qizcha. A girl with a long hair. Masalan, house with a blue roof. Okay, endi bunda roof degan to'rus. Ko'k ranglik nimasi bor? O'gisi bor. Oh, sorry, to'rus degan sirt qiyamida ko'k sirlaqliq nimasi bor? Uy degan gap. House deganimiz uy shinami? Masalan, I have no money with me. Okay, menda pul yo'q demakchi. Men bilan billa pul yo'q demakchi. Pul menda yo'q demakchi. I have no money. Masalan, eat with knife and fork. Endi ma with degan bilan billa mush orqali degan gap bo'ldi. Endi eat with knife and fork. Demakchi, pichoq va vilka bilan qanday buni yang. Knife deganimiz pichoq. Buni knife deb o'qishga bo'lmaydi. Nima deymiz? Knife. And fork. Demaganda bilan shunami? Masalan, write with a pencil. Qarindosh bilan yozing degandek. And the kings nima saqlashlar? Correct the mistake. Mushu xatoliklarni bir tuzib qo'yinglar. Masalan, he's go to the park with his mom. Okay, and he's go to them though. Bu nima? He's going to the park with his mom. And the ikki fe'llarimiz birga kelinmaydi. Ma birisi nima? Masalan, ing ga aylanganda, masalan, he's going to park. O bag'chiga ketib bordi. Kim bilan? With his mom. Opsi bilan billa. Sharq with shunami? Are you listening to me? Okay. Bu nima? Are you listening to me? Okay. Are you listening to music? Shunami? Siz musiqa anglayapsizmi? Cho'qim ing ga ketish kerak, shunami? Masalan, does he still helping John? And the American, does he still helping John? Emas, is he still helping John? And the American ing bo'lgan ekan, cho'qim BP li bo'lish kerak ekan. Tushundingmi? You know, they are drinking coffee in the KFC. They are drinking coffee in the KFC. Xo'sh, Sally is looking at a big ship. Okay, and the at data. Look at the encoding page. Sally is looking at a big ship. Looking at an airplane. And the Lucy is her family. Lucy is with his family. With her family, sorry. And the King's there is a boat. Sorry. Sorry. A river. On the river. On the river. And the plane is flying over the bridge. And the plane is flying over the bridge. And the Tom is in the kitchen. Okay, and then in. Okay, and then learn more about the weather. And the what's the weather like today? Hey, bugun havo qandayroq? How's the weather today? Bugun havo qandaq? Shikilish ifodalashga what is something like? Qandaq degan gap. Demak, havo qandaq. Masalan, what's your brother like? Akangiz qandayroq odamsiz? Uningki shu xarakter mijoz, chiroy turqi, bo'y turqi qandayroq bir inson degan gap. Demak, what's the weather like today? How's the weather like today? Okay. It's sunny today. Sunny deganimiz naytdi. Quyosh chiqqan naytdi, oftop chiqqan. Shu quyoshliq bo'lsa, sunny, uchuq. And it's windy today. Okay, windy, shamolliq. Ko'p shamol chiqayotgan degan tushunami? It's rainy today. Yomg'irliq. Yomg'ir yog'di, tushunami? It's warm today. Bugun iliq, tushunami? It's hot today. Bugun issiq. It's cold today. Sovuq, tushunami? It's cool today. Bugun havo salqin. Cool, salqinlik. Cool deb qo'yamiz. Bu cold degan ma'nosi bormi? Wow, it's cool, tushunami? It's cool today. Bugun havo salqin. It's fine day today. Bugun havo payzi. Güzel degan gap. All right, guys, that's all for today. And you have a couple of homework. First, recite the text. And second, copy the new vocabulary. So that's all for today. And see you next time. Goodbye.